Do you know many people are having trouble with their Pioneer VSX-522 receiver, playing like a skipping CD? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check speaker wires. Check for loose strands of speaker wire touching the rear panel, which can cause the receiver to shut off automatically. Step 2. Adjust auto power. Ensure the auto power down function is not causing the receiver to switch off automatically. Adjust this setting if necessary. Step 3. Disable HDMI control. If the power turns on/OFFF automatically due to ARC, turn off the HDMI CONTROL setting on the connected player. Step 4. Prevent overheating. If OVERHEAT or TEMP displays, move the unit for better ventilation and lower the volume level. Step 5. Verify sound output. Verify no sound output by adjusting the volume, checking the source's audio settings, and ensuring proper connections. By following these troubleshooting steps, your Pioneer VSX-522 should now play smoothly without any issues. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pioneer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.